Hello everyone, welcome to another video on AI update side. In this video, we will discuss about new models that are coming from Alibaba for embedding and re-ranking through their foundation models. So in this case, they have used Qwen 3 as a foundation model. So this series of models will help us into the text embedding, retrieval and re-ranking tasks. So these models are basically built on the Qwen 3 foundation model that will leverage the robust multigonal text understanding capabilities, and it achieved the state of the art performance across the multiple benchmarks for embeddings and re-ranking tasks. They have open sourced these models as well under the Apache 2.0 license on Hugging Face and Model Scope, and their technical report is published into the GitHub. You can see there, and let me show you first. This is the Hugging Face portal, and as you can see here in the Qwen 3 ranking, they have put a series of models here and the series of models on the Qwen 3 embedding models as well. So basically they have created three size of models: 0.6b, 4b and 8b, and the same similar as here as well: 0.6b, 4b and 8b for embedding models. Now we will come here again, and you can see their evaluation metrics on the different methods for Qwen 3 8 billion, for Qwen 3 embedding 4 billion, and Qwen 3 embedding 0.6 billion. So MMTEB 70.58, that is the top notch till now, as you can compare with the different models that are available in the market as well, and similar as the in the re-ranking model as well, as you can see here. So there are some key features of these models as well, like exceptional versatility. So they have achieved a state of the art performance across the wide range of downstream application evaluation. So their 8 billion size embedding model ranks at number 1 at MTEB multigonal leaderboard as of June 2025. It scores 70.58, and comprehensive flexibility as well. So these models, series of models, comes in the different size, as I showed you here as well, from 0.6 billion to 8 billion, and you can use them according to the your resource availability and on the various use cases to prioritize the efficiency and effectiveness. Developers can seamlessly combine these two modules and into your into their RAG applications. So multi-corner capabilities it have like Qwen 3 embedding model supports over 100 languages and with the various programming languages as well. So these are the some model overview. As you can see here, Qwen 3 embedding model comes in different sizes from 0.6b, 4b, 8b, and it have different layers as well. On 0.6b there are 28 layers, and in 4b and 8b there are 36 layers. The sequence length, they offered like 32K on all the models. The embedding dimension differentiate in the different size of models, as you can see here. The 8 billion model supports 4096 dimension of the vector, and on the re-ranking as well, you can see here same context length. Now we will discuss about the model architecture that is based on the Qwen 3 foundation model. Their embedding and re-ranking models are designed using the dual core and cross encoder architecture. Through the LoRa fine-tuning, they aim to fully preserve and enhance the text understanding capabilities of the base model. So the embedding model process a single text segment as an input and extract the semantic representation utilizing the hidden state vector corresponding to the final EOS. So basically it will take a single segment as an input and create the vector, and then that vector you can store into your vector space or vector store. And the re-ranking models take a text pairs such as the user queries and the candidate document and calculate the relevance score between the pairs. Now we will talk about model training. In the model training, they have created a multi-stage training structure that have a three-stage, and in first stage they have involves the constructive pre-training with a large volume of weakly supervised data, that is a synthetic data, and in the second stage they have focused on the supervised training using the high quality label data, that is also a synthetic data. And in the final stage, they have integrated the multi-candidate models to the merging strategy to enhance the overall performance. And this stage training mechanism effectively balance the model's generalization ability and the task adaptability. In the re-ranking part as well, they have trained on the high quality labeled data for supervised training. That is also a synthetic data, as you can see here. And then through this diagram you can visualize it, both model structure. Yeah, so this is it. I hope you liked it, and in future video I'll try to give an example of these models as well. Okay, so we are done for today. We'll meet tomorrow. Thank you.